Welcome to ReadFrenchin. Today we will be making a delicious lasagna. Come on, let's get into the video. Ingredients: 1. Lasagna sheets, no boil or regular. 2. Ground beef or pork or chicken, 500 grams. 3. Onion, 1 medium, finely chopped. 4. Garlic, 2 cloves, minced. 5. Tomato sauce, 2 cups. 6. Tomato paste, 2 tablespoons. 7. Diced tomatoes, 1 cup. 8. Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon. 9. Salt and pepper, to taste. 10. Ricotta cheese, 1 cup. 11th. Mozzarella cheese, 2 cups, shredded. 12th. Parmesan cheese, 1/2 cup, grated. 13. Egg, 1. 14. Olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Step 1. Prepare the meat sauce. Heat olive oil in a large pan. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Now add the ground beef. Cook until browned, breaking it apart as you go. Stir in tomato sauce, diced tomatoes, tomato paste, Italian seasoning, salt and pepper. Let it simmer for 15 minutes until thick and flavorful. Step 2. Make the cheese mixture. In a bowl, combine ricotta cheese, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, Parmesan cheese, and an egg. Mix until smooth. This will give your lasagna that creamy, cheesy texture. Step 3. Assemble the lasagna. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Now it's time to layer the lasagna. Spread a thin layer of meat sauce on the bottom of your baking dish. Place a layer of lasagna sheets on top. Add a generous layer of the cheese mixture, followed by more meat sauce. Repeat the layers. Pasta, cheese, sauce, until you reach the top. Finish with a thick layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. Step 4. Bake to perfection. Cover the dish with foil and bake for 25 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes to get that golden, bubbly top. Final step. Serve and enjoy. Let the lasagna rest for 10 minutes before slicing. This ensures perfect layers every time, and there you have it. The best homemade lasagna. Perfect for family dinners, celebrations, or when you're just craving something comforting. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite lasagna tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.